Tokidos!
Around the age of 3, kiddos start learning how to count. Tap-a-mole reinforces that learning by giving kiddos a number of moles to tap or carrots to collect, and it counts with them along the way. This is how you play.
Welcome to Tap-a-Mole! Help Rabbit get rid of the moles in his garden that are eating all his carrots.
The game has different modes and will shuffle through them as you progress. Tap moles and collect points.
1, 2, 3.
Tap moles of a certain color and avoid others.
2, 3.
Collect carrots to avoid moles eating them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And a combination of the different modes.
3, 4.
5 in a row! Super!
And the difficulty of the game adapts in real time as you get better.
I don't think we'll be seeing those pesky moles again anytime soon!
This game is a great way to develop your hand-eye coordination and practice your counting skills.